ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọ bụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọ bụla ya bụ ọka aka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla ka anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịgị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt bụ otu ọgbe wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra obodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị bụ isi ala nye, ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke, mana nwere onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise
take it to the bank.
Take it to the bank.
Take it to the bank.
Nothing.
Hatching a dejan to the hood. Today.
Ozubo.
I'm a dejan.
Ozubo.
Those boys are saying, hatching a dejan today. I'm a behano.
The shots are all. Aqua.
Nnamdi.
Let me bring our brother.
You will teach no we Mazi and damage gaga.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Sea. So this particular video of Methuselah playing the voice of Nnakuna Chimezie, I saw it and I said I will bring it here. Emma, ever since they sued this very woman, she have been talking a whole lot of rubbish. She is looking for those whom they will bring. I thought that after calling the lawyers a content creator, they never won any case. Your lawyer, which don't win case for Ibu Chechi, my lord, according to section pant subsection clitoris of Uchechi 1999 Ushi, as he don't win case, why don't you go to the court? My lord, and you are here talking a lot of rubbish, and you have been in the room answering my lord with a Geoffo in the room because of when you are. Agadi nwanyi bata today Geoffo yari yelu. Nega harugoro 98 years, 100 years, maka Chineke ịhapụ ha na Geoffo gba nne gị lere. Ya gbajishie ya ọkpa. The man dị too much amorous. Onweghị onye ọhara. Oh, ya mere, that is the reason why he smells like a machibuzo. Machibuzo egwu atọ nke na-ere ogiri. You know, Almighty God packed all of them, put them in the same ship. They are moving towards the same direction. Ụmụ ekwensu bụrụ ọnụ. I am Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, please. I am Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, and I will continue. I want to tell you people one thing. One of my mission is to stop the insult from the criminals against Mazi Simon Ekpa, and I have achieved it. Even those aggrieved who are saying, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa can no longer insult Mazi Simon Ekpa on their platforms. Let them try it now. Let them try it. Ha, Mondino. Let them try it. We are here. Ọkwa ị nọ ebe a. Let them try it. Ụjọ ha atọ afọ ya buru ụzọ. Ọ bụghị ikwu si abịa. Come and insult Mazi Simon Ekpa ka Chineke gbaa gị ọkụ. But let us continue on this very thing. Since they sued this woman called Nnamdi Chimezie, an old cargo ka na-akpọ punk, ọ ka na-etekwa die. Gwa m onye old woman na-akpọ punk ete die, what will that person tell you? N'ala Igbo, don't we have norms? When do we start listening to old woman with a punk and die? In case if you don't know where Igbos categorize them, any old woman babbing punk alone is categorized as Ofogori. Then putting on die is categorized as Ihoriho. Do you know that Ofogori is junior brother to Ihoriho? Ofogori is junior brother to Ihoriho. Once they put Ihoriho in your own, you are gone. Babbing punk alone, you will be categorized in Alibo as Ofogori. Half of Ogori. Once you started putting it die, they put Ihoriho in your name. Chefuoya, your own is gone. Even Ihoriho. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi, please. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth, exceptionally. Now, since they sued this very woman to court, she have been talking a whole lot of rubbish. Now she have gone. The other time it is Yambaba. The other time it is Udele. That is the reason why I was telling Udele, Oga, you are in the same shoe with Udele. After all, you told us that, now that you see the reason Udele is insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because your people wanted to centralize Udele, so that people will see the reason to follow them. Our own people doesn't have fake accounts. What they have is original accounts. So in reality, you can use fake account to like your comment. You can use fake account to comment. There is no problem. But our own people will not give you their own consent by commenting good on your platform. And I am telling those who even commenting at all, stop commenting. You are giving them the reason to write a whole of those rubbish. Stop commenting. Stop commenting in their nonsense. Fly away from their nonsense. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Now, this very woman is here telling you people, if they have to get gentle, they know where gentle are. Do you know what gentle have faced? In case if this woman wants to deceive you, she's now making it look as if, they are working with gentle. They have bombarded gentle. They have shot gentle from up, bombarded him. In fact, when they announced that gentle is dead, they knew what they were saying. But what they don't know is that the power of God is upon gentle, because they bomb gentle on close range inside the room. They bomb him on close range. And they watch the bomb explode. But what they don't know is that there is power and there is power. So they came on air and started telling you that gentle is dead. Because when they got to that place, they couldn't find gentle after the burning, because they actually waited, let the house burn. They saw gentle. When gentle entered inside that place, they knew that he is there. They bombed him because they saw him on a plane mode. They threw bomb immediately, and that bomb exploded. They circled that place. They were waiting. They were waiting so that the house will burn finish. They will go there and recover. But after the house will burn finish, they entered there. They couldn't see gentle. So they assumed that the bomb destroyed and pieces gentle. They came on air and started shouting, oh, gentle pie, gentle pie. Some of them said he was thrown bomb. That thing that Jovica was saying, he was saying it because they gave him the information, how they threw bomb on him. The other time he said, oh, they set fire. It's not setting fire. Maybe they told him, oh, don't use throw bomb again because we did not see his dead body inside there. He said they set fire. Nobody, none of them set fire. The army came because the army thought that he is dead. The army came and said they recovered, they arrested him, and he's singing like he choke in their nets because they thought that he is dead. A dead man cannot speak. So they will use it against Mazi Simon Ekpa. Oh, these are the confession of gentle. They get the finest AI. They get the people that they can craft to do AI for them. But what they don't know is that there is power and there is power. They have always come. When they went to Mother Valley, I saw Udele saying, oh, save this for me. Umuoshi, save this for me. And you came with, you told us that you came with Air Force. You came with a land force. You came with all the tanks in the world against people that doesn't have tank. And you said, no, and you spent how many years to get how many days to get there? Can you spend days? Overnight now you go to that place. You spent about 2 to 3 weeks to get to their camp. People that you said, they want nothing. You came with Air Force, Land Force, Marine, Nkanibia, Commando. You even came with a Boys Brigade, Boys Scout, Man No War, Ogogoro Brigade. What are they calling it? Church choir, choir mistress, pastors, and this. In order to, and you, as Onyevo, you did not go to the front. You were at the back making video, saying, oh, this is the flying bullet. Bullet is flying. War is not good, though. And that shows that the people are stunting. Let us be honest. I am Onyebchinwashibrobi, please. Ikwupuru eni, ikwupuru ani, kwupuru mmiri, kwupuru ndị mbụ, kwupuru ndị egede, kwupuru ụmụ ọkpụ. Kwupuru chi ụwa gị. Ikwupukwere mmụọ na-emere gị ihe na mmụọ ị na-emere ihe. That is number one. That is number one. We must be sincere when we do things. We must. It is a must that we must be sincere when we do our things alone. We must. And being sincere is what has brought me this very far. Being sincere is what has brought me this very far. If not, I could have fallen the way. The way ejiwe cheta nwa ashigburobi adịkwa adị. Aka ejiwe cheta nwa ashigburobi adịghị adị. Now, this very woman say, gentle that they have bombed, gentle that they have thrown bomb, gentle that they have strike many times, that, oh, na-achọ inwete gentle. Not easy. How may be gentle? No. Now you will continue hearing her. But ask yourself. Nigeria went with Air Force. Nigeria bombarded. Nigeria did all things. Actually, with a gentle, not easy. Or easy, how did they gentle? Why are they not the same person who caught the senior to gentle? What is his name? What is the name of that guy that they caught? Was it last year, that is after the kidnapping of Mazi Simon Ekpa 2014, they went and captured that one last year. Did they spare that one for even a minute? They buyed him. If they said that he is alive, let them provide him now. Ha chiriyata. And gentle. Oh, they don't want to get gentle. They don't want to get gentle. They went with Air Force. They don't want to get gentle. They were broadcasting it on social media. They don't want to get gentle. How many days did they shot bullets in order to penetrate Mother Valley? They don't want to get gentle. How many days did they put bombardment with the amount? Oh, we are bombing them. And they don't want to get gentle. Look at the narrative that they try to shamelessly portray. The narrative that they try to shamelessly portray. They want to portray, oh, General Gentle is working with the zoo. And you are crying. The same General Gentle working with the zoo made a video, Eastern Security Network. You are crying, oh, they want to start the things that are happening. Hey, the same all of you that are saying that General Gentle is working with the zoo, according to Nnamdi Chimezie and the nonsense that she is saying here, according to her. Since agbara nwaanyị a akwụkwọ, ekwe m biko nnu wepụ na akwụkwọ mgbara nwaanyị a ka temperature ezu ike. Nwaanyị a nwekwara ike enwu. She doesn't know that social media. Look, if you do not absorb the pressure coming, is it absorb? If you do not absorb the pressure coming from social media, it will cause high BP for you. Bịa jụọ anyị nwa nwere internal absorber. Ihe anyị na-ahụzi na social media bụ ọchị. Anyị chere ọchị nke anyị respond, nke anyị na-ama respond, anyị hapụ. Because this very social media, I have understand that some people will tiger. No camera, how tiger. Man at the back of camera, how pussy. Honey. Marvel my own pussy. Ikpo ya singing. I am Washibrobi, please. I am Washibrobi. That my pussy, they were very spiritually powerful. Very spiritually powerful. I am Washibrobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truths. This very narrative that this Nnamdi Chimezie or Nnamdi Chimezie or concubine Ejiofor, because if you are never close to Ejiofor, you may not understand. The failed barrister that is building all his career around the IPOB, even when the leader said, don't represent me. I will represent. The leader of IPOB have sacked you. That the leader is the one that appointed you. According to you, you confess it with your mouth. And when they are going to court, they should go with it. He said that the leader appointed him, and he's representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in an IPOB. He said it on countless of occasions. You know, this guy talks too much. His main problem is talking. He talks too much like he choke. And he doesn't know when he exposed his somebody for. I wouldn't tell them how he himself confessed by himself. Like I'm happy I am Washibrobi, please. I am Washibrobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Biko ka anyị gaa n'oge nọ Nnamdi Chimezie ntị marakwanụ nkweri onwere, because since the court etekiri nwaanyị a ara na-apụzi ya. Let us listen.
All these idiots now be online. Have you ever seen anybody telling you Now, I down about this whole local. He gonna gentle to Yahoo. Now the Kanu boys. Now I've been following Nnamdi Kanu. I thought that he's sincere. I don't know that he's the one doing what is going on our land. Very soon, dear Unuji we hope guy just who naka. Gabo be a franchise a small boy, a small rat.
Mana aga gba ụlọ ndị Igbo ọkụ na Lagos ụgba na anyị malite kwuo okwu. Kedu ihe kpatara na all these bloggers and ndị eti ọrụ na nke na-eme n'ala Igbo? Nke ndị gọvanọ sị anyị na-eme. Why?
Nna biko onye gbara akwụkwọ a chọkwuo onye ọzọ iyi agba akwụkwọ because ọ dịkwa ka akwụkwọ a na work. Now, the narrative that she is saying is that if they burn house, they will say it's gentle the Yahoo. If they thief fowl, they will say it's gentle the Yahoo. If they thief a pot of soup, they will say it's gentle the Yahoo. That why is it that the governors are burning our houses, destroying our houses, and no blogger is talking about it? Hey, nwanyị nke a, lawsuit nke a, ọ na-achọkwa ime escape biko ihe aba idea ka o jizi ayọ biko. Agwara m unu na nwanyị a na-ayọzi biko. Ọ nọzi, in fact, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is no longer a thief. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is no longer a rapist. Na ya o jikwa wee gaa na one of ụlọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu repụrụ, nwa o repụchara ya goro ya ụlọ, ya gaa nga wee hụ ya, mana ọ dị girl ka ya ọ na-achọ ya akpọ the girl abịa court. Ihe akpọ ya abịa court. Now you can go who the ulo, who everything about the ulo, and I have been presented with the evidence. Here, evidence I got caught. All this I beg, we no agree. You go take all the evidence, go to court. Court. Here again. So, Gentle the Yahoo is no longer a thief. It's no longer a criminal. But all the governors are born on the building. And no blogger is talking about it. And you are one of the blogger that we are saying no Gentle the Yahoo. No Mazi Nnamdi Kanu boys. Man, since take is really to court, in a mezi damage control. Ya kpọrọ ndị court abụkwa nke ị na-ekwu ugbu a. Maka ị ga court na as crafty as Ejiofọba ọsị gị bitu mebezie na-ekwu okwu ndị ihe a ị ga court I presented the evidence. Ashiko before esu ogi to court ihe a ya na-present to court bụ nke iyi ikwuburu. Oh, na ndị gọvanọ so ha na-abụ ọnụcha the building mana emeche ebu ya Gentle ebu ya ihe a. So madam biko chere o, so Mazi Simon Ekpa abụzi thief because you said no Simon Ekpa gwọtọkọrọ ala Igbo o ji Gentle. Ka Simon Ekpa oshi Finland wee were aka bịa gwọtọkọ ala Igbo. Hey, na court esu kwere nwaanyị a nnọọ anụkwa m ọzọ. Ihe abụkwa first in history biko pamite kwenu m ka nchi ọchị. Pamite enu m ka nchi ya na ọchị biko. O nwere onye ọzọ anyị eteki to court maka court a na work. Hey, manụ nwaanyị a bụ onye ara. Tomorrow na ha si ya a watch a program go nya ihe kwuru ihe anyị kwuru gị ụgwọ kwuo. Ihe anyị kwuru gị ụgwọ kwuo. Kwuo na Gentle ha na Gentle ha ga-agbapụ ige ha ya mee video. Gentle ha jikwa destroy ya ala Igbo. Gentle ha wee na-abọ mba ala Igbo. Gentle ha wee na-abọ n'ala Igbo. Gentle ha wee na-destroy ala Igbo. Ha gwọtọkọ ala Igbo. Tụtara ala Igbo gwọtọkọ ala Igbo. Ime onye ọbụla na-akpụ punk. Ha, our ancestors are wise. Ha lere anya nyopuo anya hụ na onye ọbụla na-akpụ punk na ole oshi wee kpọwa ihe a ka brain ya dị. So ha wee na-eme ya onye nzuzu. Na-eme onye nzuzu. ihoriho ihegbe. Can you see in this very woman that her ihoriho and the ihegbe, all the extraordinary. I am Mwashibrobi place. So it's no longer gentle, but the governors. Madam Nnamdi Chimezie, ride on, una ride on na na problem. Okuna hukoshia struggle izu ishia. Ride on. Uchechi Mwabingo, ride on. Uchechi enyere mi ebe ọ na-atọ ya ọnụ yesterday on my write-up. And that write-up, by this very morning, that write-up you go far because 2 hours of that write-up, it was generating 2,000 something views. So by this very morning, it will reach about 60 something or 100,000 views. They cannot stop me. I have many avenues to put my words out there. Many avenues. Since the nwa nwanyi ogiri na-eme nzuzu, I used to on Facebook ka mma na-deal with ya nwa now. Oh, he knows how to block now. He knows how to write. He should come and prove it on Facebook. Kande bhaiya n'ime ohia. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi. Both you and the person writing petition, I hope you run away with that person. That person helping you to write petition. That South African girl, Nku Ukunya dịka Nnamdi. Amam ni ikpokwa ukwu mama beta wee gba ọsọ. I am Nwashibrobi. Ka ị gakwa na-ege na ya ntị biko.
How many reports ka ihe were m iwe ewu na nke ọwa imezi ahụ? Ihe na-akọwa asịrị ịgbasaga. Ụfọdụ ndị na-apụ ụgbọ na ha wee lọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu ka m bịapụta sịwa ha asị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ji mee nke ha nwekpukpe echi ha akọ
ha chere izugo na.
Hey, ụnọ na-anụkwa. Hey, mana lọlọ ndị ha iwe. Ịnọbụ na-ekwu n'iya na. Ịnọbụ na-atụrụ ha ashị ya. Ọ na-ekwu sị na ya na-ekwu na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ji wee mee nke a mee nke ọzọ ya okwu ekwucha ya ha ga-akụ okwu celebrate ya na ọ na-ata ahụhụ ya. Ebere lọlọ na ebere bụ ebere lọlọ na ebere m. Who is the person that took lọlọ to court? Lọlọ m. Agadi nwanyị dara iberibe dị ofeke m. Ada dị nzuzu m. Ada m kama mma hapụrụ ya ihe nketa m kama nre ya were egoro nkụta bifo nwụọ. Lọlọ m. Onye kpọrọ gị wee gaa kọt Chineke gọzie ya maka ọ resetri your brain 360 degrees. So this woman actually know that they are using her. Insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Are you listening to her? Ọwụkwa m kwuru. Ọkwa eji ọnụ ya go. Na ha achọziri na ihe na-atọ ha ụtọ bụ ka ya ọpụta na-ekwu na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jikwa wee mee nke a mee nke ọzọ. Ya ọkọba ekọcha ya ha akọ kwee lakpuo jeje celebrate ya nọrọ ebe a na-ata ahụhụ ya. Nọ ndị gọvanọs. Na nke na-enweghị iwu ọsọ nke ọwa ime ezi ebe ndị amị gara gaba vileji ọkụ destroy ya vileji. Ọkwa ihe nwaanyị a na-ekwu ebe a. Ọkwa ihe ọ na-akọ ebe a. So it's no longer gentle the Yahoo. It's no longer BLA but the Nigerian army. Agwara m unu ihuru niile unu ya ekwucha eziokwu. Unu niile ya ekwucha eziokwu. Unu niile gara nara paso na ọ na-akọ eri. Including ụmụba o nwere nke a na-akpọ Snuff Man. Snuffum idiot pụtara na-edere m Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have betrayed this very struggle. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with the iniquities of ihe a Chineke bụ ọgọ ọnụ. Were you not the same person that was telling me that you people are defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I am supporting Simon Ekpa that is insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That Simon Ekpa, I should wait, that Simon Ekpa will insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Were you not the same person? Were you not the same idiot trying to convince me to follow the POS? Were you not the same idiot? So, all this while you are telling me, ihe unu bụ n'obi bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tụpụta na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tara ya ahụhụ ka m hapụrụ jeneso Simon Ekpa ekperima na Finland, ekperima na nke a. Simon Ekpa is destroying everything. So you will actually shamelessly come to write rubbish on my platform. You will actually shamelessly come. Agwara m na Chineke ya akpọ unu ọkụ, ala Igbo ya na-atụpụta unu one after the other. But the ones Nigerian government can use na ha hide na-akụ inyo in the name of ha na-asọ unu na ha chọrọ Biafra. Biafra ha na-achọkwa ha mee ka move no. Ise foto with ndị ọcha. Eme ha asị gị Washington. Mmụọ ala Biafra ya abụ ha niile ọnụ, one after the other. One after the other. Are you listening to the confession now? Ọ bụkwa echi gị pụta na asị m, Simon Ekpa jikwa wee mee nke a. Even those who lied against Simon Ekpa are now telling you the truth. Na ọkwa ndị Nigerian army. That what they want is them to be lying, that, it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it is Simon Ekpa, so that you people will be celebrated. Ogonna ya aga court, gaga zoba, no, na yo mipụgo isi ya, na yo yekwuzi eziokwu na Nigerian army, na destroy all those things. Uno na anụkwa, ihe ọ na-adọrọ ọzọ iwu sympathy, na court akpọ ya aga. In case if you people don't know. I have been saying it. How many times did you hear me say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? We heard you. Listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu reading 18 years. Others are saying 17, man. He may upgrade to 18. No problem. He may nkoma. And the gaga hulo ebe de gia lobby. Hukwanulo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gore that you have confirmed, but a hobe de gia. Ya gazi kpọrọ ndị lawyers ga-gosi ha dị ụlọ maka anyị na-achọ data ụlọ ka anyị wee nweta dị ụlọ ihe aga gosi ha dị ụlọ ga gosi ha data ụlọ. I do not trust the Nigerian judiciary is in shambles. Anybody that can insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, anybody that can bring propaganda lies against Mazi Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they will welcome the person. I heard recently somebody was telling me that someone was saying that they will extradite Mazi Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. You know, I have said this before. Number one, I do not trust a white man. Me and you that are here, we did not know that Mazi Simon Ekpa is going to be behind bars till this very time. Me and you don't know. We don't know that Mazi Simon Ekpa is going to be behind bars till this very time. But is he not the person behind bars? He's the one behind bars. Is Finland not seeing what is happening, even giving Nigeria a country of particular concern? Can a country of particular concern have the legitimacy to try somebody in your own courts when they sponsor terrorism, genocide against the people? Then somebody defending his own people is the one brought to your own court in Finland and then say, he's spying soldiers, so he's spying police. The police and soldiers are the one protecting Fulani terrorists, killing innocent people. Go there, it is there in the report of Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch. But Finland will act as if they don't see that one. Very, very corrupt. You know me, I will say my own. Finland is a very, very corrupt country. If they are not corrupt, they should have done otherwise by releasing Mazi Simon Ekpa. If they are not, but by detaining Mazi Simon Ekpa have proven their corruptness. This very program will continue. I will continue saying it the way it is. I am Mwashibrobi Place. One of it very kind, I want you to know, one of it very kind. Mmụọ nọ na nke ikpetemazụ a, onye ju ogbugbu ya kwere udo, and I preach nothing but the undiluted eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. You need to listen. Are you listening, please? Are you taking precaution to the nonsense? Yeah. Okay. Na-egekwe ya ntị.
Madam, all unu bidere ya na asọ na ọrịa pro small girl. Ha chọrọ ka ị na-akọ. Ọ ga-ahụ unu. Very soon, this man ga-ajọs n'oru ala jụọ onwe ya ajụjụ. Ifere ya na-ahụ ya na-ahụ angel. Ihe cheta da Metusela o ji na-ekwu okwu Metusela m ga-eme nke ya na-ahụ amụma ya na-ahụ star. Dịka amụma Chineke ada. Ya na-ahụ ndị mmụọ ozi si ya n'azụ. Ya na-ahụ my face. Yes, our brother, you are welcome. Can you hear me? Or the general, or the real general, or on this general Facebook. I want you send a request. Please, we have we wanted to usher in 2 people, only 2 people for now. And when the reason I could be here, assassination attempt, they tried to made on these 3 faces you are seeing here was void, and the names of the people are also identified and their faces known.
Are you listening on this very program? They wanted to assassinate 3 people. As they heard Biafra television, Metusela's face is there and one other face. Are you listening? Their own reason to assassinate them is they are insulting the Abuja criminals, the ones supported by Kanu, that they are insulting them, and that is part of the reason for them to insult her. I mean, for them to plan the assassination. Are you listening? Now, these are how they pied our own people in Biafra land. When they were finishing our own people, oh, Simon, oh, everybody, oh, Simon, but only yesterday, after the imprisonment of Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, that the criminals have come out to confess with their mouth that, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa is innocent of the accusation, that Mazi Simon Ekpa is innocent of the allegation leveled against him. Please, Mazi Simon Ekpa's court case is on 5th. The flyer is what you are seeing here. This is the flyer. 5th. 4th is protest. Anybody, anywhere telling you not to be in Finland, telling you don't protest for, oh, if you protest, you're a government agent, Nigerian government agent. That person, him or her is Nigerian government agent. Identify them. This is how we started exposing the criminal Kuje. I was the first here. Munwa Buyanishi. Mgbe aha ọkabụ udele na efe na ike nsi uru agụ na efe na agba ya ụkwụ. Munwa Buyanishi. Even all started before eburu onye ndu. Before onye ndu mee ya announce. I made a video calling on our leader to ask Udele I mean, Ikensi Uruago and Efe to shut that their pigeonhole mouth. That what they are bringing on is hatred and envy. They are envious of Simon. I don't know how our leader resolved it, but they stopped. Immediately, Ebuoro Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, bam, ha gbapụta, and look at the Efe today. Many people are saying, oh, they deceive Efe. Efe is a good actor. Nobody deceive Efe. Efe started it when Ohamadike was around. This Efe, ile anya ọnụ Igbo, ashawo kobo kobo. Somebody left zoo, Nigeria, to say na ya na-aga obodo oyibo. Ihe ọ gara ebe ya ịgba aba ashawo. Ihe ọ gara di ya ịgba aba ashawo. From Libya. Are we the people that bought her as sex slave in Libya? The answer is no. She should thank her God that we came to her rescue. IPOB, instituted by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, gave her asylum when Onyendu was around. Instructed for her own asylum. And the thank you to somebody who instructed for asylum is to go against the person. I am Mwashibrobi, please. I don't want to get lost in what I am saying. If they assassinate these very people now, they will say it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because they are very good in lying. Oh, it is Simon Ekpa. It is Simon. They buy a whole lot of people. I could remember there was somebody that I spoke with, very, very respected when I was there. They tried to assassinate the person. The person went low and later called me. The person later called me. The person is a very popular name that you people know. The person went on the ground, underground, and later called me and told me, Nnam ebe kwukwa Simon Ekpa na support ọkwa ebe na support. Na ndị a chọrọ igbu m. Mmịa nọ dị underground. But arụkago m ha full time. All their personnel, all their destiny, ya channel go me to Mazi Simon Ekpa. So they should continue looking for me. Mkpọ ahụ onye anụ ya ama ya. This very person with brave lion. A very, very brave lion. She told the zoo when they were about to shoot that they should shoot. That she is not going to back down from supporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All of us, we are gathered there. I don't want to mention everybody gathered so that they will not begin to search or to identify innocentNneakwuna, because that thing even happened public. Or say, if you want to buy also, I cannot stop supporting this very person. And every media focus on them. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Here on this very platform, I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. And I want you to know this and know peace. What Mwashibrobi preach is nothing but the undiluted truth. You can talk rubbish for all you care, but you cannot be that. They wanted to unalive some people and then hang it on the head of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He have used them. Buy them now. Oh, for them to say that it is the Kuje version. And that is the people supported by Uchechi. Maybe they have told her na ejikwa ọtọ enaka. If our PM can get ọtọ Uchechi, everybody can get ọtọ Uchechi now. If our PM, why I said that, our PM is in Finland. But Marebu Uchechi na-eji ọfọ gara rie ọrụ na hotel ebe ha bara. Ejide ọtọ ya red-handed. And she stopped talking then. Oh. It was only when they advised her, oh, start attacking him. If he release it, we will sue him with the claim. He have already said it already. This and that. They thought that PM is like them. But the message have been passed. IG Otogi. Hotel on Garagari on Otogi no here. Otogi no. Otogi no. I am Mwashibrobi. Oto on ya. My husband, they should free my husband, but I'm not supporting this no nyoshi. I'm not supporting this na young one in prison. They should free my husband, but I'm not supporting your phone barrier see a young one in prison. Not to go in Gaya no this any menga. They should free my husband, Chineke Pokwago. I have called you chameleon on 2 different occasions. You are shameless. Kaigakwane again the program. Kaige channel metunti, please.
And you're going to hear where they discuss in secret how to unalive us. Heme yana hebu ya Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And you know the reason people assassinate. You very nonsense reason. Awuha ndi azuroshi ndi agburu mmadụ mba na ina challenge ha. Oga I piano hands down. Imo onye meri emeri na ya na toje wepo one year news. So Ekuya.
Ego nruru ụmụ aja ahụ. Nruru ụmụ aja na-aṅụ ara. Hapụta ha de ọnụ ya. Ihe a na-ekwu make the sense.
At all.
Anyị jikwa akparị Mazi Nnamdi ka. Then onye anwakwuzie ụlọ nwapụtasị ikwu no. Ọnwụ na ya anaghị ekwu ya n'ụlọ. Ọnwụ na onye Igbo ga-eme mmadụ pụta onye Yoruba pụta kwuo gị ote ndị Yoruba ịmụ anwụ agasị ha na ha na-eti agburu onye ị ga-alụ aja aba n'ọgụ. I got someone in nature, don't say we are. Because I have the right. Because if you're men and you nature, just like if you're by Ndi is strong. I John I don't know about Jelemba. Now, ESN or no, you don't have to like them. But then, before you know, they must commit a crime. And then may kidnap one mother, may saw her. He saw that in on government.
Exactly.
So now leave what come man the police gun on office, huh? And where be him, I don't know if it's acquire ESN. Just like that. And I'm just saying, before ESN na IPO be abia. I won't do so nobody. Kidnappers or nobody.
What is going on? Hold on.
I can name I'm no question, I'm no defender. No. I'm facing the Ahubedemunga.
Correct.
No suspect they are mad.
It's okay. You're welcome. Let me
Before now, this very woman, Ebo Oku Katara, but na ihe mee n'ala Igbo asị na ESN, ọ chọrọ ịhang Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ma chete lawsuit. Ọ chọrọ ịkpọ the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ịhụ ihe ahụ ebe ọ dị confused. Ọ chọrọ ịkpọ the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chete lawsuit. How they can somebody say a lawsuit? Yeah, for a front. Ọnọdụ ka onye ohi na-abịa ezu ohi. Mgbe ọ na-amabata ya ahụ akwa soja na compound ọ chọrọ izu ohi ya nwa ịtagharịa ha ka ọ mapụ soja na-ele soja ya na-agba ọsọ wem ọ ihe ọ gbara ọsọ. I am Nwashibrobi, please. But talking from both sides of your mouth will not stop us from facing the reality. The reality is that we have crossed the Rubicon. Point of no return. That is where this very struggle are. Point of no return. I am Nwashibrobi, please. We have crossed the Rubicon. Point of no return. And this very struggle must be achieved with or without Nnamdi Chimezie. And we don't even need her. It will be achieved with or without all this sabo. We don't even need them. We need few people who are sincere. Few people who knows within down their heart that they are sincere to get freedom. That's all we need. ọwụkwa ịpụta na-akọ ogologo akụkọ on social media, ọwụkwa ịpụta na-akọ eji wee gbagbuo nwa nnụnụ nnefe. Those dedicated people, that is what we needed in order to move on this very freedom. And from me from here, from the temple of the Great Sea, onye o mere amara na nke ikpete mazụ a, it is good morning, please.